Hi everyone, this is Nikos with Pinky's Iron Doors, and today we're here to showcase the Queensway Double Full Arch. Hope you enjoy it. Alright everyone, we're here with the front exterior portion of the Queensway Double Full Arch. As you can see, it has a very intricate design here. It has the crosses, and then it comes down into a kick plate with some swirls, I guess you would call them. It's a pretty interesting door. It's gotten some it's pretty popular. People are liking it. We've had some good reviews on it. It's not level here, that's why it's opening here. This current spec is at a 72 by 96. That's from outside of jam to outside of jam. So just remember, when you're ordering from us, everything, all the measurements are measured the full jam included, not just the door opening itself. This particular model has a 2-inch jam by a 6-inch deep jam. All of our double doors with operable glass will have that same jam type. But you can custom order the depth of it. If you have thinner walls, you can make it a little thinner as well. As with all of our doors, this could be made in a flat top or a regular arch top as well, not just this full arch, and in a plethora of different sizes as well. We have currently the Aquatex glass on here that is operable, which I'll show you a little bit later on in this video. It does come with a built-in threshold included with the frame itself, so everything's going to be one piece, making it very easy to install. I'll show you the install tabs on the other side as well that just lag into the wooden studs of your home. Still going to get those same dual bore holes that we offer on all of our stock doors. Again, you can customize this if you want to put, some people like to put our iron handles on here, so you can get rid of this bottom bore hole and just put a deadbolt with an iron handle. We have roller catches on the active door in order to keep the door in place if you do want to put that iron handle in there without a latch. So it'll still stay closed even when the deadbolt's not activated. I'm gonna flip this guy around so we could show you the back portion, the interior portion, and show you how everything works with the glass. All right, we're flipped around to the interior side of the Queensway Double Full Arch door. As I was saying in the front portion of the video, this glass does operate, and you can let in a nice breeze. You still get some you can still not let the outside people in with this ironwork. All this is 12 gauge steel, as is with all of our doors. It's fully insulated with polyurethane foam for insulation. To close these up, you're just gonna flip this cam lock back around and twist it clockwise, and you're all set there. They are separately hinged. You could take off the glass panels themselves. It makes it a little bit easier for install. It makes the door a little bit lighter to lift up onto the main hinges right here, which do have grease fittings, the Zerk fittings. And what these do is it allows you to grease up this door without actually having to take the door off the hinges. You can use a standard grease gun, making that a lot easier, so you don't have to keep taking it on and off every year when you want to actually get this lubricated and greased up. You still get that same nice design on the kick plate as you do on the exterior portion. Again, you can customize this in a custom order with whatever type of glass, size, and top shape that you'd like. Again, you can put that handle on both the interior and the exterior side like I showed you earlier, so you could just get that single deadbolt with a nice ornate iron handle to go with this door. You do get our standard install tabs that are offset hold, so that it's easy to install if you have framing in your house, the wooden framing. So it just gives you a little bit more flexibility in that install. You get a nice curve to this glass to match the curve of the door. Obviously, with one of our flat ones, you're gonna match the flat, so it's gonna be a little bit different in that portion when you change out the tops, so they run symmetrically. And you do get a tab up at the top as well to keep it from sagging down. Door sweeps are included in all of our doors. Also, when you open this up, I actually forgot to show you this. For good weatherproofing and sealing, we have a weather sealer here, as well as on here where it meets. So these two weather seals meet to provide a very good closure, disallowing any kind of wind or outside elements from entering into the home. It is all dual pane glass, tempered glass, so you're going to be able to, if it does get broken, it's not going to shatter all over the floor. And the textured portion is going to be on the inside. The non-textured portion is going to be on the outside, and you can clean it really easy when it's open. That's one of the best parts about having the operable glass. So I think that is going to do it for our Queensway Double Full Arch door. Hope you enjoyed it. All right, everyone, thanks for watching our showcase on the Queensway Double Full Arch. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at info@pinkiesIrondoors.com, or feel free to give us a call at 1-844-843-6677. Thanks so much. We'll see you on the next one.